Hi, today I'll be showing you my microphone amplifier circuit. Now what it does, it it gains the audio signal through the microphone, and it goes to the transistor, and the transistor amplifies the microphone signal, audio signal, and goes through the variable 10K potentiometer and then the potentiometer goes through the op amp, which amplifies the microphone audio signal through the capacitor and outputs to the 8 ohm speaker. Now in this circuit, I had I had a little bit of trouble with the soldering part because I had to go through various steps of soldering, and then it's not functioning as it's supposed to do. When I connect it to the battery, the op amp heats up, so I had to figure out other ways to take out the soldering and to like clean it up. I had different methods. I had do-yourself methods that I found on the internet, but none of them worked because because I couldn't find a suction tube or a solder wick at a bunch of the stores around my area. And as you can see, I actually initially bought two op amps. The fir- the first op amp was located here, so I didn't have any tools, so I just yanked it out by heating up the solder and then placing my new one over here. But apparently after putting it here, it was just heating up, which meant that something was short circuited. And then due to time, I couldn't have another way to actually debug this another way. I could show you my soldering part. You can see that this is where the op amp used to be, and this is where I placed it. I think I think a good cleanup would have done the thing, but I didn't have the tools available for this project. I used other methods, like I used a physical vacuum to clean it up, and then I try to I try to heat up the solder and try to take it like that physically out, and then I try to use a sponge, and then I try to use more solder and try to take it out like that as well, but nothing really worked. Alright, thank you for your time. I thought this would work, but it's a good learning process. Thank you very much.